Welcome to Oxford Business College, Nottingham campus. The campus also boasts ample amount of parking spaces, the largest campus of Oxford Business College, located close to the city centre and easily accessible by public transport. Situated on over 25 acres of land, the campus provides a wide range of amenities and facilities for the students within the campus. As students walk into the campus, they will be greeted at the reception by a member of the Student Support and Welfare Department. As you can see here, the access point for staff and students to gain entry pass reception, ensuring that only authorised personnel are allowed in the building. The campus has plenty of signposting material as well as information and guidance regarding welfare and academic matters. The campus offers plenty of breakout areas for students to socialise and relax in their free time. Taking advantage of the large open areas, the campus also has plenty outdoor seating area to allow students a change in scenery. All our classrooms are equipped with comfortable seating, properly illuminated, ensuring a healthy learning environment. Our classrooms have state-of-the-art, interactive smart screens to aid student learning and driving classroom engagement. Throughout the year, we host a variety of events in the student canteen, where we ensure we remain inclusive of all of our student diversities. The canteen offers vending machines for the convenience of our students. Students are provided with a spacious area to relax and unwind, with facilities such as games, microwaves, and complimentary tea and coffee. Registry department can be found in the AK building and can assist students with queries such as progression, attendance, mitigating circumstances, and other registry-related matters. The Academic Support Department gives additional support to students in areas such as writing reports, referencing, plagiarism, and IT issues such as Moodle and Blackboard access. The boardroom may be booked for senior management and staff meetings. Equipped with modern audio-visual technology for virtual meetings, we have a dedicated area on all of our campuses for staff and students to provide a quiet space for religious reflection and prayers. Student support officers are available to provide assistance and pastoral support 7 days a week. To ensure the department runs smoothly on a day-to-day basis, there is an allocated waiting area for students. The auditorium is an open space with plenty of space for external guest speakers, inductions, events, and for student events. Our Incubation and Innovation Centre regularly holds open sessions with the students to encourage entrepreneurship and employability. Staff canteen is an area where staff can congregate during lunch and breaks with free coffee, tea and amenities. The IT lab is designed for students to have access to online resources whilst on site to aid their learning. Students also have access to the latest software, including Microsoft Office. The IT lab is open 7 days a week for students to access for coursework. The IT lab also provides opportunities for students to learn ICT during their study skills and other scheduled sessions. The campus also has a medical emergency room to deal with minor emergency cases. There are many study pods available for silent study spread across the campus. The campus dean oversees the campus and is available to assist students and staff. The campus dean maintains an open door policy where students are welcome throughout the day. The campus is the residence for the Student Council President, which has a dedicated office for the Student President and meeting rooms for students. Counselling services are also available to all students provided by qualified staff members. Counselling is available to students 7 days a week. The library is stocked with all recommended and essential textbooks relevant to their respective programmes. The library is available to students 7 days a week for individual or group work. Nottingham is continuously undergoing improvement and renovation works. One such example is the Student Village, currently under construction. The Student Village will contain the library, cafeteria, and places for students to socialise. Academic interview rooms provide a confidential space where prospective students undergo credibility and academic interviews. The admissions office is where the student journey starts. This is where prospective students come to inquire about the courses on offer, and those who are interested can make their applications, where our admissions officers will be there to assist and guide them through the process. Programme Coordinator is available for programme-related queries from students. Staff Common Room provides a space for staff to relax and catch up during their breaks. The college ensures accessibility to all students, staff and visitors, including accessible washrooms, a lift and well-marked emergency and fire exits, as well as all legal signages. And SIA licensed security personnel are available on site 7 days a week. Thank you for virtually visiting our Nottingham campus. We look forward to welcoming you in person soon.